We wish we could make this entire place concrete so that the water puddles won't be here. But right now, financially, it's a bit of a challenge. So that's why it doesn't look that nice. This used to be our dinner table, dining table. Now the dogs use it as their sleeping place. And a lot of improvements can be done, but unfortunately, financially it's not feasible right now. This boy is very close to me, very attached. This one also. This is a girl. She wants me to carry her all the time. Very, very, very spoiled. This one that looks like the mother. See how they open Mohammed's door? It's what they do. And they love being there. I walk closer to them. This is where upstairs whelping area was. They all go back there to sleep. See, these are all Sena's puppies. They are like almost 1 month already. Dating with the bigger ones, which are 3 months old. Yeah, those that you can see, these are less than 1 month old. Yeah, somebody got bitten because they go to the adult area. Very naughty, very naughty. Okay, this is how the road looks like towards the land. Going out is not so bad. Going inside, sometimes there's a lot of water. This is how it looks like.